How to hide last seen in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here you want to click on privacy, and then from the who can see my personal info section, click on last seen and online. And once you are on this page right here, you will see the first section that says who can see my last seen. From these options, you want to select the last one that says nobody, and by doing that you have deactivated and disabled the last seen option, and people won't be able to see when you are last seen on WhatsApp. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off the WhatsApp last seen. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.